How to explore trending content on LinkedIn. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to find trending content on LinkedIn. So, you have to first of all make sure to check your home feed for suggested posts, explore the built-in or top news and trend section, and you could also use the content suggestion tool to filter trending topics by industry and niche as well. To begin with, open the LinkedIn app on your device. You could use the search bar tool feature at the top and you could type in trending maybe. And you could hit enter. Once you do it so, you could go ahead and select whether it's a post, courses, people, job, companies, whatever, you could go ahead and select it accordingly. And next, what you could also do is you could also look for a suggested post. So you could see this page. As you could see at the top, you had these suggested, right? You could actually explore these, and this way as well you could explore trending content on LinkedIn. Now, other than that, you could also use a LinkedIn built-in news section, cluttered trending stories and talked about topic across different industries. You can find it on your home feed or under my network tab as well. So here you have my network tab in the left hand side corner, and when you go and click on it, this way you should be able to explore trending content. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.